Whew. You guys see the duffel bag I just brought in? I did something I've never done before. I spent $1,000 on true vintage, bro. $1,000 just down the drain.
Out all night, Uber X outside. LA don't look good on you, baby.
Alright guys, I'm here for a quick meeting with my management team. Shut up. Alright y'all, we're in LA for the day. This guy has never been to Roscoe's, y'all.
This is my first time in America.
I'm new to the country.
I don't have my visa yet.
He's looking for a white girl that'll sponsor him.
Yes, sir.
You got 157.
Thank you, boss.
158. All right.
Louis bag or Prada, you can keep your problems, baby. I don't want them all.
Hooray! Hope he doesn't disappoint. It's waffles. It reminds me of Ralph's.
Bro, how am I supposed to get the sponsorship if you're not gonna? Yo, the syrup, waffle, chicken, dip it a little bit of hot sauce, not too much.
Hot sauce is like, it's going.
All right, Ray, overall thoughts, dog, overall thoughts.
I give it an 8 out of 10.
What ruined is that we weren't able to eat inside. So by the time we opened the box, the waffles were cold. Excuse me, sir, you can't ride around without a mask. Woo! Tell me you're in LA without telling me you're in LA.
What's happening? It's your boy Amir.
Wait, I want to be in it. Wait.
Keeping quiet with stuff, kinda getting good at being by myself. I don't need nobody help. Beside the team, we've been doing pretty well.
Sean Witherspoon, I'm coming.
Damn, I gotta slow down. Gotta catch a flight just to visit home now. Wish I could see that kid more. She looking
Alright, y'all, didn't cop anything around 2, but today next door is Happy Ice. Never been here. I think there's one in San Diego, but this lovely lady right here told me that they have free ice cream. All you have to do is say yes. My guy. Whatever I said yes to, if it's signing my life away, it's a no, but thank you, appreciate it. Yes way, but we don't scream out Trey way. Hey, 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 hey.
You guys okay? You guys okay?
Are you okay?
You guys are high or what? High, motherfuckers?
Hey, 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 language, it's a family channel.
Shit, Mike. Come on, come on.
What are you trying to get us to spend, bro? We don't got money. What? Hey! Come on! This guy's a round 2 legend, bro. This guy's a round 2 legend. And he's dancing with us. Let's go! Yo, Mike in the cut. Yo, look at these, the foam runners. Look at the price. Sheesh. So these are the last ones that I've actually enjoyed. Let's see. Sheesh. I like the classic ones though, the yellowing. Guys, you guys remember those chunky dunkies right there? Those are the ones that I got freaking scammed for, bro. I got, bro. I got scammed. So that right there is like an X to me, bro. No bueno. I think this one sounds pretty good. And this is the price for...
This would be the 110, and then I believe it had the 50% off the first
2 months. Super solid. I can't get her in it, so you know, it's just me. But she's super cool. The other one I was at before was kind of taxing, so the only thing with this one is it's upstairs, so I have to make sure that I have enough room for the racks and stuff going up and down. Yo, my inventory's getting crazy, alright? It's just been in my trunk. I'll show you guys. And I got a bunch that I haven't even washed just in my car. I gotta be organized, alright? Everything's gotta be solid if I wanna run this right. We really doing this, y'all. Yes, sir. I got the keys. Come on in! Yes, sir. Let's go. Look at this, y'all. And we got the views too, man. I can't show y'all exactly where it's at. Come on now. But we got the views. Yes, sir. We got. I wish these were available, but Jessica can't do it for me, so I'm about to leave her a bad review, guys. That's me. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go. We got a subscriber out of this. Thank you so much, Jessica. I appreciate it. You're the best. Cool. Whew. All right, guys. As you know, your boy just rented out a storage unit. Man, the views up here is kind of nice. Look at the little windows thing. But you guys see the duffel bag I just brought in? I did something I've never done before. I spent $1,000 on true vintage, bro. $1,000 just down the drain. And y'all better not tell my mom, bro. Mom, if you're watching this, mama, I'm gonna sell it, okay? I'm gonna make profit, okay? Hopefully. But your boy's gonna do tax write-off, so don't worry. I got people putting me on the business side of this. If you guys are watching, if you guys are an OG in the thrift game, the person I bought this from has been selling at Rose Bowl since 1997. And I was gonna record it, but he didn't want to be recorded. He's super just to himself, but he was gracious enough to give me, I think, a good deal. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I got. But yeah, $1,000 flat. And you guys let me know if I won or if he won. Let me know, man, and I'm gonna show you guys my favorite piece. Dude, the problem with all these is like, I wanna keep it all. But I think that's the good thing, you know? I think if I like it, then I think other people will buy it. But so much goodies, so much old stuff from 70s, 80s, 90s. Pretty pristine condition on all these.
Lost track of myself. Too in love with the money and the wealth. I was on ones that they missing me.
So like I said, for all this was $1,000, and this guy found on OfferUp. I was just buying clothing racks, and then he opened up his garage. I see all these clothes, I'm like, bro, what? And then he comes to find out, he tells me this guy's been selling at Rose Bowl, Kobe swap meet here in San Diego since 1997. And he's retiring. I'm like, bro, why are you retiring? And he said, it's people like you, Miguel. It's new people like you, Miggy, that just takes all the good stuff. I'm kidding, but not kidding. He said that's part of the reason, but also, I think he said he just lost the passion, and when the whole COVID thing happened, it was tough for him and his family in the sense that that's when they lost their passion. But anyways, this is right here, the Washington Bullets training camp. Yes, sir. That tee is cool. It's on a Salem tag XL 5050. This Nike tee right here, 90s. With the embroidered Nike. It's a culture shock retreat training. I think it's super dope with that Nike embroidered, and of course that 90s Nike tag, and then another 90s Nike right here. I'm not quite sure who these three people are. If you guys can let me know in the comments. As you can see, man, a lot of outerwear. I think outerwear just makes the outfit look you know what I mean? So I did a 3 little bundle thing of these denim jackets, the orange tab. Yes, sir. And this is a darker wash right here. Yes, sir. Orange tab as well. And then right over here as well. All these have that Sherpa lining. So, good quality. And all these are in pristine condition, bro. The pockets in the front are solid still. Yes, sir. The dark wash is actually really pretty. But this one right here is pretty as well. That lighter wash denim. And then also got this early 80s dark denim jacket. It's a size large. So I think this is a really good size. Boom, boom, great condition, great quality. Levi's right there. 80s, the Sherpa lining as well. And then that light wash denim look. And then these two joints right here are beautiful FFAs. He had it on the wall. So this one right here is the earlier one. This one, I believe, 70s. Nice little tag right there. On the Talon zip, boom, boom, the patchwork. Zipper works fine. From Michigan. The only thing is the guy's name came off right there, but besides that, good quality. And then this one right here is the earlier one, probably 90s or late 80s type joint. It's a YKK zip, so not as desired, but still this one's in a little bit better condition. California Gonzalez. It's getting kind of cold now, actually. Ooh. Alright, one thing I'm 100% keeping though, guys. Oh my gosh, when I say I've never seen such a beautiful, if you guys know, orange is my favorite color. You can't go wrong with black and orange, man. Look at this varsity jacket, 1998. Marianne, whoever you are, shout out to you. Got the little hornets right there. Embroidered, of course, the patchwork, and then look at the back. Sheesh, hornets, dog. That is pretty. And then this one right here, guys, this is super old. It caught my eye because it's orange, but also it's in dead stock quality, bro. It still has the original tag right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a red ram, and the tag is Elliott Glove Company. It's a leather glove company. Back in the day, I think they may still be around from what I searched up, but the guy said that this is what they would wear when they were welding. So it's super good quality. I mean, you guys can just see, man, just a nice cut of leather. Golly, look at that. That's just quality that we just don't have nowadays, you know what I mean? And then this right here is a reversible overcoat. It's got 2 pockets right here with the Talon zips. Bang, bang, and it has 2 pockets right here as well. And then it could be reversed to be like this, navy blue. I think obviously this is a lot cleaner, but it can do that, so it's basically 2 coats in one. This one's pretty, man. The green knitted collar right there, and then the corduroy, and then look at the inside, bro. Look at that. That's just quilted. Man, look at the work that had to be put into this. That is beautiful. It's a Snowfo original storm coat. And then we got a Pendleton piece right here. We got this beautiful green color, and look at the inside. Yes, sir! That flannel pattern type thing. And then we got 2 t-shirts right here. So this one right here is a Metallica joint on a giant tag. That's the acquired tag for these little band tees. 1998. And then this one right here is a 1984 Tour of the World Van Halen. That's the front. Super pretty. Look how flowy it is. Paper thin. Legit paper thin. Legit paper thin. It's on a shed tag. It's an XL, so great size. Right now it's probably a man's large. But nonetheless, these 2 shirts, solid pickup, I think. These caught my eye because I love cardigans. But not only are these just dope cardigans, but obviously vintage. 100% alpaca wool. So we got this burnt orange one right here. This is super pretty. And we got these 2 orange ones. Yes, sir. This one's a little bit... Ooh, light just came on. Why am I scared? Who's here? But yeah, these are in pristine condition, bro. When I tell you guys that the quality on this is unmatched, it is unmatched. Look at that. Sheesh. Yeah, I think these are super pretty because guys can buy this or girls can buy this. And as you know, we are here in San Diego. That's where I'm from. So we got this SDSU Champion reverse weave extra large. Just look at this, bro. The quality on these Champion reverse weaves are unmatched. So let me know, you guys, was the $1,000 worth it or not? Let me know, man. I did the math and I think I could make, if I sold everything, around $400, $500 profit. So I think that's not bad. But yeah, guys, that was my first time ever doing like a wholesale purchase type thing. And I don't think I did that bad. I think I could be better in my negotiations. But I think the knowledge and the experience I got talking to that guy, like, dude, this has been selling since '97, and like the respect that he gave me and the love that he gave me was just super dope, and just the conversations we had. Can't really compare that to a price. Whenever you talk to an OG like that and buy from an OG like that, like, it's always such a pleasure. And he was just super cool, him and his wife, and they're 2 annoying Chihuahua dogs. I hate Chihuahuas. Let me know in the comments who won. Let me know what you guys' favorite pieces. Like I said, that varsity jacket, I'm keeping, bro. I'm keeping that varsity jacket. But if you guys got any offers, if it's still around, let me know. All right, we definitely lost light now. But if you guys did appreciate the video, if you guys did enjoy from the LA vlogs to showing you guys this $1,000 freaking haul, make sure you guys kill the thumbs up. It really does help out my channel. Make sure you guys subscribe, turn on post notifications. Love y'all so much, man. See y'all later. Yeah, sorry, mama.
The way that you walk in the room, girl, you're making it harder to function. Step on the scene, you're looking at me and my heart started jumping. And they'll never get it, cause baby, they think it's just casual loving. You better believe I ain't gonna leave on you all of a sudden.